We are so expectant. Dwelling in your place to us is so important. So we lift up our holy hands as we worship, soaking in your rain as we get so drenched. We have received this grace to reign. They that have received grace in abundance, the gift of righteousness reign by one. We know we are healed, we live in abundance. You've called us to set the captives free. Katonda wafe, indeed you are mighty. That is why we call you the Lord God Almighty, Lion of Judah and the Lamb that was slain. We bow down before thee as we worship thee, crying holy, holy, drenched in your rain. We are glad to be in your rain, glad to be in your move. You feel us to be overflow. What a joy to see the rain fall from above. Let it flow, let it rain, Lord, let it rain. The seas raging and the clouds changing, the heavens are responding. I see the rain falling, prophecy is being fulfilled and it's evident. Wagonjwa wanapona na vipofu wanaona. Kama uko hapa ukidhani haufai, sarenda roho yako kwake Yesu utawai. Hakuna ubaguzi hapa, kumeja baraka. Kwake kuna liberty, yani madaraka. Maboy na washi wanatoa unabii. Soma Acts chapter 2 ama Joel chapter 2. Wengine wana make melodies kwa roho zao, wengine wananena kwa ndimi mbalimbali. Kila mtu amejazwa na joy unspeakable, love unbreakable na grace unbelievable. Vitu funny funny leo lazima zidrown. Every name, every knee leo zina bow down. Every situation, everything is drowning right now in the land.